Right, batter on. 2020, question 4. So starting off with a wee bit of trig. So find the two values for theta for which tan theta over 2 is equal to minus 1 over root 3. Now when you're doing these, I would always recommend you draw your wee unit circle. So draw it the same way as with your complex numbers. So 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. Cast, C-A-S-T. There's our man Plunkett says, Sex and the City. So here for in this region, it's 180 minus A, 180 plus A, and 360 minus A here. Now, the thing about the minus, what two places is tan negative? What two places is tan not happy? Tan is not happy in the sine region and the cos region. So the first thing there, get your reference angle. So to get your reference angle, you can either look at page 13 of the formula book, and we can see there it's 30 degrees, or do your tan inverse. So shift tan inverse, 1 over root 3, we get 30 degrees. So I work with degrees instead of radians. So your reference angle is 30 degrees. Now, that means that we're in this region and this region here. So a half theta. So theta over 2 is the same as a half theta. So it's a half times theta. So a half theta is equal to 180 minus A. So 180 minus that is 150. And your other one is a half theta is equal to 360 minus 30 is 330 degrees. Now you need to get all the answers, all the angles between 4 or 0 degrees and 4 times 180. So that's 720. That is between 0 and 720 degrees. So in order to get all them multiple answers, what you've got to do is add on the period at the end. Now the period of the sine and the cos, which we've always seen, has been 360n. The period of the tan function is 180n. So a half theta is equal to 150 plus 180n. And over here, a half theta is equal to 330 plus 180n. Now we want to work out theta, so multiply the other side there by 2. Theta is equal to 300 plus 360n. Theta is equal to 660 plus 360n. To get the multiple answers now, sub in, like what you do in your complex numbers for finding the roots, n is equal to 0 and so on. So when n is equal to 0, theta is equal to 300, or theta is equal to 660. So it won't take us too long getting up to the 720. When n is equal to 1, theta is equal to 300 plus 360, which is 660, same as what we have over here. Our theta is equal to 660 plus 360. We're outside that range of 720, 1020, so we don't take this. So our answers are 300 and 660 degrees. Now, if you did want to convert these, what you've got to know there is 180 degrees is equal to pi. So if you're looking for that h1, 1 degree is equal to pi over 180. Therefore, 300 degrees is 300 pi over 180. Just put it into your calculator. 300 over 180 is 5. 5 over 3, and stick the wee pi in the top. That's one of your answers. And your 660 degrees, do the same thing. 180 degrees equal to pi. Find 1 degree, pi over 180. And then to find 660 degrees, 660 pi over 180. And just put 660 over 180, and you get 11 over 3. And throw in the wee pi at the end. Lovely. Next bit, diagram shows. So all this is your formula book here. For area, the diagram shows OAB. A sector of a circle radius 7 with centre O, and the sector BOA is 1.2 radians. The area of the shaded region is 21. Find BC. we're looking for there, give your answer. Now in that there, all I really know in sectors of circles, so again, if we look at page 9 of formula book, arcs or sectors, we're given 2 formulas. We're given one there for length and one for area. And this is the one in radians. Now they've mentioned area, so I'm not going to use the length. I'm going to use this one. A is equal to